Playing your drum? Go boom, boom, boom. Oh, that's a nice idea. Hey, Quentin, can you say diaper? Say diaper. Uh-huh. Can you say cracker? Cracker. Uh-huh. How about Gramp? Grampy. Grampy and Grandma. We call them on the phone? We call them on the phone? Good. That's right. Gramp and Grandma. That's right. What does a dog say? Yeah, doggies go out the window and they say, what do they say? Huh? You want to see a dog? You say, oops. Doggies go out the window?